afternoon. May 25th, Memorial Day. We are honoring the death of the old camper and celebrating the freedom of the new camper. What do you think? It's been a war, hasn't it?
It's definitely been a fight.
Shall I tell them how the day started?
Yeah.
So I came in and I was going to just pick up things a little bit and sweep up. And one of the things that I decided to do was put this plate on so we didn't lose the screws. Even though the panel, wasn't secured down or anything yet, I thought, I'll just put the plate on. The plate will hold the panel on. It'll be one thing that's not on the floor. Well, when I went to put the plate on, I realized that the screws would not reach the plugs. Why is this? Because the plug was supposed to be on the outside of the panel, not on the inside. So I thought, okay, easy enough, we'll just move it. Well, it just so happens that the wiring on this one was one of the last wirings to do. So Cory used the last bit of 12 gauge wire that he had to do this, and it barely fit.
But it fit.
But we thought it fit. It was a 1/4 inch too short to be able to do the plug the way that it was supposed to be once the panel was in place.
There was no slack.
There wasn't even an 1/8 of an inch. I mean, all we needed was a 1/4 of an inch, and we didn't even have an 1/8. It was tight. So we had to find new wire. We had to rewire the whole thing. We had to restring the wire, which was, of course, more difficult now because the refrigerator is secured down. And the
drawers are put in.
Yes.
All the drawer slides are put in. And then you also have the wheel well interior
that you have to get over.
So there was no room to really thread this wire back through.
So it was a battle. We started Memorial Day off with a battle, but I still am very proud of the progress that you have made today and that I have made today. Cory cut this and I theme painted the end, sanded it, rounded it over to make it look like it's part of the camper. It still needs to be secured on. This matches the trim on the couch. If you remember, this was an old picture frame that the glass had been busted out of, and we first used it for the door panel in the front of the couch, and this just kind of ties it in, so you get a visual of this kind of molding on both sides of the entryway door, which I think is kind of cool. Yes?
Yes.
And he's finishing up the other side of the wiring for that particular plug. And today he got the second door and the second shelf in the pantry. So we now have 2 doors and shelves, and I've got some aesthetic work that needs to be done to everything.
Nice and solid.
And he has been working on the larger door out here. He really had to. This was another battle, to be perfectly honest. So he had to take apart the old door, and he's in the process of gluing the new one in. Again, we'll sand all of this. It'll look a lot nicer by the time we're done. But he had to cut different edges to get it in. I mean, he really had to work very hard on it. But I think he did a great job, and this door now will fit nicely on that bottom of our pantry. I think it's all coming together. Here's the view from way back in the corner. I know it looks really messy right now. It's all of the tools. It's all of the stuff. I can't wait until we get to a point that I can clean up everything and give you a full look at. It's getting close. It's getting close to aesthetically being what it's going to be. Very close. Just there's still more work to do, but
we're getting there.
What do you think?
I think it's looking good. I think it's come a very, very, very long way.
Oh, such a very, just in smell alone. If only we had smell-o-vision on our videos, people could understand how much better this camper has gotten. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.